Welcome to the Open Source Science Lab. This is your central dashboard, a command center for all your data analysis and research projects. We're transforming the research workflow. It begins with a simple conversation but quickly evolves into a detailed, code-based analysis, generating entire notebooks automatically. Every conversation and analysis is saved and organized in your personal library, keeping your projects active and accessible. At the core of this platform is a powerful AI assistant. We specifically chose an open-source model for this task to ensure transparency and prevent vendor lock-in, giving you unparalleled freedom. Here in the settings, you can see our engine, the gpt-oss 120 billion model, running on Groq's ultra-fast infrastructure. Why this model? It offers an exceptional advantage. The power of a state-of-the-art large language model combined with the flexibility of open source. This means no black boxes, just transparent, high-performance AI tailored for complex research, capable of understanding context, writing code, and deriving deep analytical insights. The platform is fully customizable, from visual themes to AI features, ensuring your research environment is configured exactly to your needs. Now, let's see it in action. A user can start with a simple prompt, then ask the assistant to perform a comprehensive analysis in full detailed mode. The AI begins by generating a high-level business insights summary, identifying the top-selling products and categories from the data. And your research isn't limited to the data you upload. Using its integrated SearXNG tool, the platform can discover and incorporate information from the web to enrich your findings. But the true power lies beyond simple text summaries. The AI is now building a complete analytical workflow from scratch. Here is the generated notebook. The AI doesn't just talk about analysis, it writes the code itself. It begins by loading the CSV file, handling potential errors, and performing an initial metadata analysis. The output of this first step gives us a foundational understanding of the dataset, with a summary of missing values, descriptive statistics, and frequency counts for each product. From there, it autonomously generates a cascade of essential visualizations, histograms for price, quantity, and revenue distributions, box plots comparing categories and products, a correlation matrix heat map to uncover hidden relationships between variables, a pairwise scatter plot for a deeper dive, and even advanced time series analysis to track revenue over time, followed by statistical tests and a principal component analysis to reduce dimensionality. The process culminates in a final, human-readable conclusion right within the notebook. The AI summarizes all its findings and provides clear, actionable recommendations based on the data. From a simple question to a complete data-driven strategy. This is the future of research. Accessible, automated, and open for all. Thank you for watching.